For accessories that require just 2 fixings, insert the 2 cage nuts, screw in the bolts securely, and add the rubber coverings. Accessories that require 3 fixings, like the hose holder, start with the middle fixing, securing the accessory from the back with a washer and bolt. Move to the external side of the panel and secure another bolt. Secure the 2 other bolts into place and add the rubber covers. For accessories that require 4 fixings, firstly insert all 4 cage nuts. Then secure the accessory with all 4 bolts by hand and then with a drill. Place the rubber covers over the bolts. The leg panel accessories can be attached wherever is suitable for you.